Welcome back. And for today, well, this is kind of like a Luette project.
Yeah. Today's like a Luette's day.
Well, we're kind of just doing this because we want to see it.
She just wants us to do this because she wants more toys.
No, that's not it.
Yes, that's more
It's
than
because
true.
they're popular.
Okay, you know what? We're not gonna do it no more. Yeah, look at her face change. Exactly.
I'm just saying we're only doing this because they're popular toys.
And we want to see what's all that
We're
hype
gonna
about.
Okay, so what are those toys called?
Mini brands?
Mini brands. They're like these mysterious balls that have things inside.
Yeah, like mini versions of brands. That's where they're called mini brands.
Oh, now the name makes sense to me. It's like mini mac and cheese.
Oh, I get it now.
Brands that
Yeah,
are
mini
mini versions.
brands.
Yeah.
Brands that are mini
Wow.
Going into this video, I had no clue what they were.
Me either. Well, I've seen them because I bought her one yesterday or the day before, and I was like, "It's so cute."
I've bought a couple. Like,
That's so cute.
I
So-
like them. That's why.
So we're gonna show you her collection plus the new add-ons that we're gonna get today, which is gonna be 3 balls, 1 each.
But you know what? Now that I'm talking about it, now that I remember, last video she was making the cart in the back, the shopping cart. So yeah.
Oh wait, I
That's-
never showed you guys the things that
Yeah.
I got. And I did build the cart. It was so hard.
Actually, I built it.
Okay, I
No,
built
you
it.
didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me explain. So I built it, but then it kept falling apart. So then I went to go shower after we got home from the beach because I was playing with the sand and I was dirty. So then I got out and the cart was built better because there was like a part that I was doing it like backwards, so it wasn't gonna work. So Irving actually helped me fix it. So he technically built it, but I built it, but he fixed like the bottom of it. I mean, he had to rebuild it to put it on.
They hate me because they ain't me. So with that all being said, we're gonna break the doors of Target right now, get in there and go shopping. And once we're done shopping,
We'll go home.
we'll go
And then-
and see what these mysterious little balls have.
We're getting one for each. So I'm getting one, Luetta's getting one, and Irving's getting one.
I forgot to show you guys what I got. So when we get home, I'll show you my whole collection. In total, I've got I've got 4 mini brands in total. So I got 2 of them on Amazon and then 2 of them at Target.
Oh yeah.
The 2 old ones and then the 2 white ones.
Yeah.
So on that note, we'll see you guys inside Target.
Yep.
Okay, so we're supposed to go to Target and go inside Target, but it was really crowded.
Yeah.
Like there was like no parking, so we didn't want to go inside. So we're just like, let's do the drive up. So we're gonna do a drive up right now. We're about to pull up.
Hold up.
Skirt. So once we pull up, they're gonna put the stuff in the trunk, and
We're gonna
yeah,
get home
Mm-hmm.
and unbox them.
Yes.
Not unbox them, but like,
basically unboxed.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not unboxed.
And now we're back home. That was like abracadabra. Ooh. So these are the mini brands. Unbox the onion mini brands.
Those are
Series
the
2.
new gold ones.
70
Seven.
plus.
To collect.
Yep.
You want to bring the one that you have?
Yes. I forgot to show you guys. Here, let me show you guys. Hold up. My box is right up here because I was looking at them.
So she has a little box where she collected them.
I'm gonna have to reorganize after this. Really hard to organize. Okay. Because I also put some of my Kinder toys in here, so yeah, it's gonna be hard to organize. Okay. So I said like I had a little shopping cart. I did it, and I kind of broke it all apart. Well, not broke it, but like, yeah.
Those are your grocery bags?
Yeah. It came, I got this, and this is one. Another.
Okay.
I got a lot.
So now we're gonna unravel these. Ooh, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got? I have a feeling I'm gonna get some ranch. Just because I'm craving some ranch.
It actually has like right here. You can kind of
So now that we're in,
Ketchup!
Oh, she got ketchup.
I love ketchup. If you know me, I love ketchup.
Yeah, she does.
Oh. Whoa. Let's see. I got a mini cart.
Oh, you got
Another one. Oh my god. How cool.
I'll help you how to. I'll help you build it.
Okay. With stickers.
Yeah, it's so you put them like down this side.
Oh.
I got an orange.
Okay.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh wait,
I was like,
I
really?
still haven't opened it.
No, that's a big orange.
I
It's
know.
supposed to be small.
Ooh, I got cheese. I mean,
I got the same thing.
creamy French
Porto
cheese.
Sla. It is creamy French cheese. Well, point is there's cheese.
She got such a like. You can't really tell, but it's got like the same design as a real ketchup. It's so cute.
Zesty Italian sauce.
Let me see. Do I have that one? Oh, wait, never mind. I got one similar to that one. But
I got something so cool.
what?
What?
Kool-Aid.
It's cool.
Oh, that's why it's cool.
Oh my god, look at that
Yum,
Kool-Aid.
yum.
That is so cool.
Look at my first one, guys.
That's cool.
My second one is so cute.
And this is my last one. No.
That is shake and bake.
Shake and bake original pork.
I got sauce to add on chicken or pork.
You see, is that the one I got?
And that's my salsa.
I think we got the same one. Oh, me and him got the same one. So them two got one, and then me and him got one. Okay, I got
Is that all you got?
Yeah, no, it's the one.
something.
Oh, let me see.
Some pickles.
Oh my god! They like made it seem like glass.
This right here,
What is that?
Maxwell House. It's coffee. I got
Oh, let me
coffee.
see.
Well, I'm down to my last one, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So
Look what I got.
Oh my god, the laughing cow.
Oh,
Look.
cheese. Is that cheese?
It's cheese dipper. Like,
Oh.
it's like, let's see.
Oh, right here. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
And for my last one, I got red beans. We unraveled them, we shuffled them, we moved them around. And now we got a bunch of things. Personal favorite. Oh yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
And like always,
Subscribe, click the notification bell, like, comment, and share the video.
Bye.
Bye.
peace.